Hey everybody, Adam with XLaser here to give you your bonus tip for our Fundamentals Friday on Laser Liquid Sky 101. So one of the really neat things we can do if we're using the built-in effect generator on the Mercury system is to actually have it go through a color effect on this liquid sky where the color effect stays in one spot, but the laser moves in and out of it. So I'll come here to our color effects and I'll select Post. I'll give it a static linear gradient. Then I'll go ahead and pick my two colors. So for color 1, we'll go ahead and pick red. Then for color 2, we'll go ahead and pick blue. So you can see it's actually, as it goes towards the bottom, it moves into the red, and as it goes towards the top, it moves into the blue. One of the things I can do is increase my fade width. And now we've got this really smooth transition as it goes from blue into red. I can actually change that to being a radial gradient. And now you'll see it's actually moving through that radial gradient. So the red portion gets wider as it goes towards the middle and through the middle. And the blue portion gets wider as it's towards the top and the bottom. If I decrease the fade width, you can see that nice and cleanly. I hope you enjoyed this bonus tip, and I hope you enjoy working with colors in your liquid sky effects. Thanks very much. See you next time.